Kiddolodian.
Hard level. Warbler. They are small to medium-sized songbirds. They primarily eat insects, though certain species eat berries and nectar in winter. Partridge. Partridges lay the biggest clutches of any birds, with 14 to 15 eggs usual, and even bigger clutches often recorded. Nightingale. Nightingale is a small passerine bird, best known for its powerful and beautiful song. The sound of nightingales is called whistling crescendo. Indian roller. Blue jay or Indian roller is best known for the aerobatic displays male during the breeding season. Indian rollers are attracted by fires. Pheasant. Pheasants are able to fly fast for short distances. They prefer to run. Common pheasants are social birds. They also become very friendly. Crested bunting. It is found from the Himalayas eastwards to highland areas of Southeast Asia. Crested buntings prefer to sit on high perches. Hummingbird. Bee hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world. They are often mistaken for insects. It beats its wings 80 to 200 times per second and can fly upside down and backwards. Osprey. Ospreys live on every continent except Antarctica. Osprey means bird of prey. Ospreys don't need to drink water. Osprey nests are huge. Black drongo. Drongos range from Africa to Central Asia, Australia, and Western Pacific Islands. Their voices are loud mixtures of harsh and sweet sounds. Hoopoe. The hoopoe is an exotic bird. It has a pinkish-brown body, like the cuckoo. It is named after its soft, far-carrying song poo-poo-poo.